Chengdu J-36 fighter jet is not merely an evolution, but a significant leap forward in Chinese military aviation technology. Although the name J-36 has not been officially confirmed by the Chinese government, it has circulated widely among defense analysts following the sighting of a prototype in December 2024. Its first sighting on December 26, 2024, coincident with Mao Zedong's birthday, sparked intense speculation. The aircraft was seen conducting a test flight near the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) facility in Sichuan, accompanied by J-2OS fighter jets as chase aircraft. This marked a new chapter in the global air arms race, with China publicly demonstrating its rapid progress in next-generation fighter technology. The J-36 represents China's vision for a sixth-generation fighter jet, an air combat platform designed to surpass all currently dominant fifth-generation aircraft, including the United States F-22 Raptor and China's own J-20 Mighty Dragon. Sixth generation isn't just about increased speed or stealth, but rather how a fighter can function as a key node in the modern combat ecosystem. Network dominance. The J-36 is no longer viewed as a single combat unit. It is designed to be the control center of a military network connected to companion drones, satellites, ground-based radars, and even warships. This aircraft is projected to be capable of integrating all intelligence data in real time, giving pilots or operators a comprehensive view of the battlefield. With this concept, the J-36 functions like an air commander orchestrating combat from the skies. Artificial intelligence. One of the J-36's key advantages is the integration of advanced AI systems. This technology not only helps reduce pilot workload but also enables split-second decision-making. AI is expected to be able to detect threats, regulate weapons deployment, and even control loyal wingman drones that accompany the main aircraft. This makes the J-36 more than just a fighter aircraft, but also a digital brain capable of autonomously leading air operations. Energy weapon systems. When facing threats from hypersonic missiles or high-speed drones, conventional missiles alone are no longer sufficient. Therefore, the J-36 is expected to be armed with laser or microwave-based energy weapons. These weapons are designed to provide immediate defense against short-range aerial threats, while also opening up opportunities for precision strikes at the speed of light. Optionally manned. One of the J-36's most revolutionary innovations is its operational mode flexibility. The aircraft can be flown directly by a pilot on certain strategic missions, but can also operate completely unmanned in high-risk scenarios. This optionally manned concept extends the J-36's operational range from close-range air combat to highly dangerous infiltration missions into enemy territory. The birth of the J-36 is no coincidence, but rather part of China's strategic response to international security dynamics. The world is currently witnessing a sixth-generation fighter jet development race, with the United States with its next-generation air dominance, in Europe with its Future Combat Air System, FCAS, vying to create the most superior air platform. For China, which for decades was considered a catch-up, the J-36 symbolizes its position at the forefront of global competition. This prototype sends a clear political and military message. China is no longer merely catching up, but is ready to become a leader in military technological innovation. In the Indo-Pacific region, the presence of the J-36 will change strategic calculations. The United States, Japan, South Korea, and Australia will have to rethink their air defense strategies. With its extensive combat network capabilities, the J-36 has the potential to be a first-strike weapon in a conflict scenario in the South China Sea or the Taiwan Strait, while also providing a counterbalance to the U.S. military presence in the region. While official information about the J-36 remains classified, analysis of satellite imagery, leaked test photos, and defense intelligence reports provides an interesting glimpse into its technological features. Tailless flying wing design. The J-36's futuristic shape, resembling a full flying wing without a tail, is believed to maximize stealth capabilities. This design significantly reduces radar signature and makes the aircraft difficult to detect, even by the latest generation of radars. This advantage allows the J-36 to penetrate enemy defenses undetected up to its effective attack range. 3-engine configuration. One of the biggest surprises is the use of 3 engines, something rarely found on modern fighter jets. This configuration is expected to provide exceptional power for achieving supercruise without afterburners, improving fuel efficiency, and supporting high-power energy systems like lasers. These advantages make the J-36 not only fast, but also durable for long-range operations. 2-crew cockpit. Initial reports suggest a possible cockpit with 2 crew members seated side by side. One pilot focuses on controlling the aircraft, while the second serves as a combat systems operator, monitoring drones, managing communications networks, and processing intelligence data. This dual role makes the J-36 a fighter aircraft with strategic airborne command functions. Large weapons payload. Compared to the J-20, the J-36 is significantly larger. This allows for the storage of massive weaponry in its internal bay, including long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and even hypersonic anti-carrier missiles. With these capabilities, the J-36 can function as a multi-role stealth bomber, not just a dogfight aircraft. Developing a 6th-generation fighter jet like the J-36 requires enormous investment. Although Beijing has not disclosed official costs, the project is estimated to cost tens of billions of dollars. The funding likely comes from a combination of national military research funds, defense industry funds, and strategic technology subsidies. However, this substantial investment is commensurate with its strategic impact. For China, the J-36 is not only a defense tool but also a symbol of national prestige. It demonstrates to the world that China possesses industrial, technological, and military capabilities that are on par with or even surpass those of the West. The geopolitical impact of the J-36 will be far-reaching. China's neighbors will be forced to increase their defense budgets, while the United States will have to accelerate the development of the NGAD to keep up. In other words, the J-36's arrival has the potential to trigger a new arms race in the Indo-Pacific region and globally. The J-36 is not just a new fighter jet, but a symbol of China's rise on the global military stage. With its integration of stealth technology, AI, combat networks, and even energy weapons, this aircraft is projected to be one of the most influential strategic assets in the coming decades. If all predictions about its capabilities are correct, the J-36 will not only rival the F-22 or NGAD, but will even redefine the standard for 6th-generation fighter jets. Its emergence marks the beginning of a new chapter in the global military technology competition, where air dominance is no longer a Western monopoly. Ultimately, the J-36 is a warning to the world. The air power race has entered a new era, and China is at the forefront.